Tired of fumbling for your wallet every time you want to buy something online or pay a friend back? PayPal offers a seamless way to handle transactions, and in the next minute and a half, we'll break down exactly how to use it. First, let's talk about online payments. When you're shopping online and see the PayPal button at checkout, clicking it redirects you to the PayPal website. Log in with your email and password, and you'll see your available payment options. This includes your PayPal balance, if you have one, or any linked credit cards or bank accounts. Choose your preferred payment method €. Perhaps you want to use a specific credit card for the purchase €, and then review the order details carefully. Once you're happy, click the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. It's that simple. Your payment is processed securely without the merchant ever seeing your card details. Now, let's move on to in-person payments. PayPal also makes it easy to pay or get paid at local businesses or among friends. If a business displays a PayPal QR code, simply open the PayPal app on your phone and select the scan option or the pay option and then the QR code button, and use your camera to scan it. Enter the amount you owe, verify the details, and tap Send Payment. You can also generate your own QR code within the PayPal app to receive payments from others. €, super handy for splitting bills. So, whether it's online shopping or in-person transactions, PayPal offers a secure and convenient way to pay.